Hello, today we're making banana bread muffins. To start, we're going to be needing 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Add in your leavening agents and mix well. You can add in an optional pinch of cinnamon for an extra tang. In a bowl, add 3 large bananas and make sure they're very ripe so that they're naturally sweet and that they're very soft. Mash them all together. Add in 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar and you can click up there to view my banana bread recipe. Mix that all together and you can definitely add more brown sugar. Add it to your liking. Now add 2 large eggs and mix well. Pour this mixture into your dry ingredients. And then you can stir thoroughly. And your mixture will be on the drier side because as you may have noticed, we haven't added any butter or oil yet. I'm making mine to 2 different flavors, butter and peanut butter. So in one bowl, I'm going to add in some melted butter, 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to mix that well together. And you can add in a splash of milk if it's too dry. It should be about this consistency. In the peanut butter bowl, I melted some 2 tablespoons of peanut butter in the microwave. I'm just adding that into my mixture. You can definitely add more peanut butter for a stronger peanut taste. Now I'm adding my muffin tin about all the way up. And then I'm adding additional toppings like chocolate, granola, and nuts. Bake at 375 degrees for 8 minutes and then 350 for 15 to 20 minutes. And while they're still warm, you gotta cut right into them and they're so delicious. These look denser because I actually just got these from the fridge, haha, but they'll be so fluffy and moist once they're out of the oven. Here's the picture. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe!